Need some class variables or methods? Well, come on, let's learn some Java. Instance methods belong to the object or instance of the class and are called using an object or instance of the class. But class methods belong to the class, not the objects or instances of the class. Use the keyword static in the header to create the class methods. For instance methods, they can access both the instance and class variables, but class methods can only access other class variables. Instance methods can access instance and class methods, but class methods can only access class methods. We use instance methods to perform behaviors for one object, but class methods perform behaviors that apply to the class or is independent of any object. The general format looks like this. We have the keyword static followed by the return type, the name of the method, and the parameters. Consider this example of the car class that has two class variables, car count and loc. If we wanted to update the location of the factory, we could include a class method, moveFactory, that takes in the new factory location. To call this moveFactory method, we would call it on the class. So car is the name of the class, .moveFactory, and then pass it the string for the new location, in this case FL for Florida. That will update the location, and now the factory is in Florida, and when we create car green, its location will be FL. If you attempt to change the color of all the cars to white in the moveFactory method, you will get an error because color is an instance variable and class methods cannot access instance variables or instance methods. Now be sure to like and follow and check out the links in our description.